Guys, how's it going? I'm making a video basically because I want to release a video every 12 hours because I'm greedy. I want money. I want to keep growing my YouTube channel, and I want to keep my views up and my revenue up by keep releasing videos. So today is a video about how I'm wrong. How I'm wrong about Namaste and Aurora, slightly anyways. Like predicting the stock market can be extremely hard, and what happened this morning is the stock popped all the way to 395. People were taking profit, and like people didn't care, they just took profit right away, and the stock dropped. Like I guess the sell on the news, buy on the rumor was true. People, as soon as the market opened, they just sold, and the stock opened up at 395. It dropped all the way down to 370 or below that. Let's see, 357, and now it's recovering to 375. I still think this stock's gonna hit to $4. I think the people who took profit just didn't care. They just, didn't want to risk their money, and they just took profit so they can, put it into something else. I mean, it's understandable. I didn't take any profit yet because I still think the stock can still rise, but I could be wrong and I could lose out on a selling opportunity. Oh well, I choose to believe in the company. I still think the stock can rise higher. I think the stock will get listed on the New York stock, the Nasdaq. We'll see where things lead by the end of the day. I'll probably make another video, probably in another 12 hours, discussing what happened, where things are heading. I'll figure something to release. I'm actually burning myself out because I've been releasing too many videos and I'm starting to run out of subjects to talk about. So let's see what happens with Namaste. Namaste released a press release, which is not surprising because they said they would release a press release. Today is supposed to be a huge day for their media. They're supposed to go all on like a bunch of shows and talk about the sales license and the company's strategy and moving forward. So that maybe I'll try to put some of those videos together and make another video out of that. I have no idea. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I do plan to release more video, another video sometime today, after 12 hours after releasing this video. But if you haven't watched my new beverage video, NBEV, new age beverages, I mentioned that every time they release press release, it could cost between like $500 to $2,000. I'm assuming this is around $500. I don't know though. So I didn't see a point of releasing a press release for this, but you know what? I'm not the company. I don't control what they do, but the stock looks like it's recovering. Yeah, it's recovering nicely. So all the people who disbelieve in the company, who sold off and hadn't made a dip, the other people who who want to support the company pumped up the stock again. Either that or day traders sold off here, rebought back here, and then the stock is moving back up. Who knows what happened? There was no real press release for Aurora today, so the stock kind of just went nowhere. I mean, there was a release on Micron Waste Technology. I'll get into it later, but there was no real news release today, and the stock kind of went nowhere. Micron, holy crap, it went up. Oh, it did go up 62 cents. It went up 63%. People sold off, took profit, and now the stock's rising back again. But I should have camped this stock. I knew that big things are coming for this company. I'm hoping it declines back to 50 cents so I can buy some. But who knows what's gonna happen? But yeah, there was some really interesting news from Micron today. Micron reports the outcome of the cannabis waste trial with Aurora Cannabis. The environmental water reclaim for cannabis waste API contained free, allowing reusing in growing operations and safe discharge on site waste treatment. What is important here is cannabis waste exceeded Health Canada requirements. That's pretty good. I mean, exceeding Health Canada requirements. I think Micron's gonna have to raise some more money if they want to mass produce these units to sell to licensed producers. Because you need money to make these machines, and I think in the future they're gonna have to raise more money to develop more machines. At least this is just my opinion. Micron will commence the offering of units commercially. So the company will now optimize the technology for sub-zero operation as well as add computerized remote operation capacity, following which Micron will commence to offer units commercially. Once they offer units commercially, I think the stock's gonna skyrocket to like $1, because once they have an actual business model structure around their Micron waste units, the stock will take off. What is this company worth again? This company is worth, no, that's wrong, that can't be right. This one's usually pretty accurate. Company's worth $42 million market cap. So I can see this stock easily being $1 in the future, especially if the technology takes off and they're selling massive amount of units. The way the business model works is they don't really sell a unit to a licensed producer. They have like a contract with they have like a plan payment. So basically you're renting this equipment and they make that money off the rent. So they'll be renting these equipments to all the to a lot of licensed producers that want an alternative method to just disposing cannabis waste. He said it's going to be cheaper than disposing it to cannabis waste, so I don't see why a licensed producer wouldn't want one of these units. It wouldn't make any sense for a licensed producer to say, no, we're just going to throw it in the garbage instead of using your technology. It wouldn't make any sense, and right now they basically have a monopoly. They don't have any competition that has any other solution. So I can easily see the stock being $1 in the near future, especially once they start selling commercially to other licensed producers, and in the United States, which will be huge, because according to Cam Batley, they're starting to get phone calls from like California and other places in the United States. California has a water problem, and that would be great for this technology. And they patent the technology, so nobody can really copy them. This is interesting. This guy, I've seen this guy so many times on CNBC. He talks very well, and he is joining the board of directors for advisory board for TGOD, which is pretty interesting. TGOD today was let's see. It went down a little bit. Could be a buying opportunity if this stock goes back down to $7. But who knows what's going to happen today. AMD. You know what? I honestly think AMD will keep trading between $30 to $33 until the next report, because the next report is important. If they can really do a grand slam on the next report, this stock's going to like $40. But if they don't, the stock could probably go back down to $20. So it's risky, but it's also very rewarding. So it depends. it's a gamble basically. So I'm more bullish on AMD. I think they're gonna have a grand slam report. That's where, from all my research, it feels like that's the direction the company's heading. But let's say the stock goes back to $20, I'm definitely gonna pick up some shares if it goes back to $20, because it all depends on how the report is. I'm definitely gonna be listening to the conference call. I'm definitely gonna do research on this company when they have their conference, their Q1's earning. I was watching a Micron video. This guy's Micron video. He says that they're planning to aggressively buy back shares, which is very good sign. That's why the stock is kind of recovering instead of just declining. Buying back shares is always a good sign in a company. Shows investors confidence. I guess before I go, let's go look at New Age Beverage stock. Let's see where it's entered. Oh, 487. Thinking of maybe picking up some. I thought my video would help cause the stock to rise, but it didn't. It decreased the price. Opportunity. Let's see. Yeah, I think it could be an opportunity to buy. Maybe it was in the low $4, $4.36. I mean, if you bought at $4.36, it would have been pretty good. I should have capped the stock in the morning. Too late now. Well, maybe I'll still buy some. I hope it keep decreasing. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day.